Alright, for this tutorial I'm going to show you a bit about how to, we talked about before about changing up the groove. I'm actually going to I'll keep it in the middle for both of these. So again, I've split two regions and I'm going to show you this how we can change the drums this time in the verse. So if we click down on the first region's highlighted, you can see which drums are playing. Now in this case I'm going to take out the hi-hat and snare. So for the first verse, if you'll notice, all I'm hearing is the kick drum. Now you also have a pattern, I forgot the name of it, but you can change up the patterns. For here's the kick and snare. Now I can go to pattern 3 and you'll hear a little different kick. Let me put the snare on so you can hear how these change. A little bit of cymbal in there because it's bleeding into the next verse because it's not a clean cut. But you can determine what kind of pattern you want by clicking on the drum. So in this case I'm going to take off the snare, just hear the kick. Now for the next verse, alright, I'm going to add in, let's add everything in just so you show you how this works. I'm going to add in the cymbals, hi-hat, oops, I put that back in the first verse. But no, it'll be in the second. So look what happens when I do this. I'll extend this a little bit. And now you're going to start to hear the cymbals come in. Now I'm getting cymbals. So in this way you can actually change up everything as far as what things the drummers are playing. Now for this one, let's take the cymbals out, put the hi-hat back in, and I'm going to put a hand clap. And again, you can change any of the patterns in this method. So I'm going up to percussion. Now you should hear a hand clap coming in with a hi-hat, snare, hand clap. I don't know why that cymbal's coming in. I think because I don't have this split exactly right on the beat. So in this way, you can change up any of the drums that are coming in and out of things. And this is really handy in case you want drums to drop out or add, ride cymbals for the chorus, etc., etc., etc. So here I'm going to change up the pattern for the hi-hat. I mean, you get the idea. So you can actually change the drums that the drummer's playing and keeping the groove the same. It's a very powerful tool.